I am here to request a pose or two from you. So let me start. I want two things. Let me start with I want your best or your cutest idol pose that you can think of in 5 seconds. I give you 5 seconds to think. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Cute. Cute.
Okay. Here we go again. Next one is カメラさん、上から目線でお願いします。イナちゃんは下の方に。Instructions for camera. Yeah, and now, Ina, put your hands together like you're praying. And do a pouty face. As if you're asking the viewer for something. Yes.
Cookies?
Like, onegai. Credit card number, please. Keep on doing that. Alright. Bye-bye.
Bye, Kiara. Thank you. Yeah, you know, Kiara.
Back though?
Back?
Well, hopefully it wasn't too difficult of a pose.